Birthday ko ng August 8.
Dahil birthday niya noong August 8, magla-lunch buffet tayo sa VPAP. Vikings group din ito. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob.
Ito yung bagong buffet restaurant ngayon sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay na dinudumog. Paano ba naman ang daming choices ng masasarap na pagkain? Unlimited mong matitikman yung mga masasarap na pagkain dito. Unlimited din dito ang mga drinks at ang beer. May unlimited samgyupsal din. Definitely a great place to celebrate special occasions. Big achievements, small wins, or if you want to experience great food in a cozy environment, then this place is meant for you. Ang nakakatuwa pa dito, meron ditong live performance. At dito lang yan sa VPAP Live, located at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. At Taste of Entertainment, and you're invited. Ang all-day rates dito ay 1,488 net for adults. Libre naman kumain dito ang mga batang may height na 3 feet pababa. May discounts din ng mga bata, senior citizens, PWD. May 50% discounts naman ng mga senior citizens na 75 years old and above. Ang operating hours dito is from Thursday to Thursday, dinner time only. From 7 p.m. until 10:30 p.m. Kapag Friday to Saturdays naman, dinner time only, 7 p.m. until 11 p.m. Kapag Sunday naman, lunchtime only from 11 a.m. until 2:30 p.m. Leveled up talaga yung dining experience dito sa VPAP Live. Kaya tara nang mag-VPAP!